The monkeypox outbreak is impacting a lot of our neighbors. Here is a live look at the White House, where the Biden administration announced an additional 1.8 million doses of the monkeypox vaccine will soon be available.
Yeah, the Centers for Disease Control data shows more than 13,000 people have been diagnosed with the virus. Here's Natalie Brand on how those vaccine doses will get into the arms of people considered to be at high risk.
Hundreds of people lined up for the monkeypox vaccine at this New Jersey clinic.
Really scary looking, and I couldn't even imagine being able to go to work if that happened to me.
The vaccination site runs out of doses every day, but the White House monkeypox response coordinator says more supply is on the way, announcing 1.8 million doses will be available for ordering starting Monday.
Jurisdictions that are adopting the intradermal administration of vaccine and have used 90% of their current supply of vaccines will be able to order more doses.
In order to stretch supply, the FDA has approved splitting each vial of vaccine into 5 doses to be injected just under the skin. The CDC now reports more than 13,500 confirmed cases nationwide, with New York and California topping the list of states with most cases. 98% of the cases are occurring in men with a median age of 35. In an effort to reach those most at risk, the White House announced a new pilot program aimed at distributing vaccines at large gatherings geared towards the LGBTQ community. But the CDC director is also urging everyone to take steps to avoid risk of exposure during this outbreak.
Temporarily reducing or avoiding behaviors that increase your risk of monkeypox exposure is important, especially between your first and second doses of vaccine.
I know it's going to spread like wildfire, and it's good that we get protected sooner than later.
Health officials also say next week they will boost the supply of a drug that can be used to treat monkeypox infections, making 50,000 courses of T-pox available where outbreaks are most severe. Natalie Brandt, CBS News, Washington.
Now let's take a look at the number of people diagnosed with monkeypox in our area. Right here in D.C., the D.C. Department of Health reports 350 cases. In Maryland, there are 349. One of those cases involves someone at the University of Maryland. The Virginia Department of Health says there are 233 cases in the Commonwealth.